say is, wow, we look at where I am. Tonight I landed, pow, right in a pot of jam. What a setup, holy cow. They'd never believe it if my friends could see me now. Right now, right now, if they could see me now, they'd see me strut my stuff, and I would show them haven't they shouted enough. I hear my buddies yelling, crazy, what gives tonight? She's living like the other half, living like they live. You got a friend in me. Now when the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you got a friend in me. Wait and see, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, I got to do. Oh, there isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. For I'll never give my heart. And the moment I can feel that you feel that way too, is when I fall in love with you.
The first mate, he got the wrong. He broke in the captain's truck. The constable had to come and take him away. Take him away. Sheriff Johnstone, Sheriff Johnstone, why don't you leave me alone? Yeah, yeah. Well, I feel so broke up, I wanna go home. There's a room where I can go to tell my secrets to. In my room, in my room, in my room. In this world I lock out all my worries and my cares. This thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. Well, this thing called love, it cries in a cradle all night, and it swings and it jives, shakes all over like a jellyfish. I kinda like it.